On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be traveling to Dotonbori, Osaka's most famous tourist attraction and one of the most recognizable parts of Osaka. Famous for its neon lights, colorful signs, and a huge selection of street food, restaurants, and bars. Historically an entertainment and theater district since the 1600s, it's renowned for its food, nightlife, neon lights, and amazing signs. You will find yourself in awe looking at all the unique signs, which include a giant crab, octopus, pufferfish, and dragons. It makes you feel like you are walking in an amusement park. Dotonbori is one of the most colorful and vibrant areas in Osaka and best experienced in the evening as the neon lights come to life. Dotonbori is very famous for its wonderland of street food, crowded restaurants, and bars. You should come here for the ultimate culinary experience.
We are headed to the very famous Dotonbori area, famous for entertainment, nightlife, dining, all that kind of stuff, neon lights and everything. So we're just gonna kind of go explore around it right now. Pretty sure it's gonna be a lot of fun, right?
Right.
All right, here we are. Dotonbori. Let's go. Ready?
Ready.
Second attempt at the cheese pulley string thing because the one in that Koreatown didn't really work.
Nope, that one didn't have a cheese pull, but we just saw two girls that had a cheese pull.
Yeah, so we want a cheese pull. We're gonna get it from here.
If we don't have a cheese pull, fuck it, it's so good.
Cheese hot dog, cheese string pull.
It's super hot.
Is it?
Sugar on it.
No.
100%.
Are you kidding me?
Put your tongue on it. It's like donut.
I don't know. Is that sugar?
Hey,
Oh, that's a big pull. Whoa, is it good?
Patrick's gonna try the cheese pull thing. Oh, look at that steam.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Translation, oh my god, that's so good.
It's way better than the other one.
It is. Update, it's better than the other one.
Oh my god.
Big lineup for that.
I know, it must be popular.
Yeah.
Takoyaki is everywhere here. Wow, that looks really good. There's that famous crab, the moving crab. Wow. I think you're meant to eat octopus balls. No? Ali won't eat it. She's kind of like disgusted with it. She doesn't like octopus. But she's been pretty much eating everything else, so. Right, so we're gonna try number 13. Hot spicy miso noodle. Selections there.
You will find local dishes and traditional Japanese food that is very cheap and easy on your wallet. The most popular street food you'll find is takoyaki, an octopus-filled ball of batter, which is a specialty in Osaka. Another delicious street food you should try is called Okonomiyaki, which is a delicious savory pancake. There are also many meat and vegetable options that are deep fried on a skewer, called kushikatsu. Dotonbori also has the largest shopping area in Osaka, where you can shop your heart's galore and find almost anything. The most famous of the vibrant signs is the Glyco Running Man, located above the Ibitsubashi Bridge. Glyco is a Japanese food company which produces the popular snack poki. Poke is one of my favorite snacks from Japan. The Glyco Running Man has become a much loved and famous landmark in Osaka since 1935. This is a popular spot for tourists and a meeting spot for many people, not to mention a famous photo op for first-timers in Dotonbori.
This was also like in my game Yakuza 2. You come up to these streets in the back and then there's the canal here. If you get off the main street that we were just on and just kind of to the alleyways, you'll find this nice walk along the river here. You want to go clubbing, babe?
Oh my god!
What?
Takoyaki! Oh wait, it's actually not.
Oh, it's not? We found the famous Running Man. We're gonna go up there. Right, babe? Take a picture?
Yes.
That's what I was looking for. There we go. Babe, can you do the Running Man pose? Come on, do it. You gotta put one leg up. Yes! Alright, look how busy it is down there. I don't think we're gonna go in there. It's just like a sea of people. After that river part we just came from, there's like a huge indoor kind of outdoorish, I don't know how to explain it, like shopping mall, and it goes on forever. There's tons and tons of people here. Let's see, babe. It has a tail.
You're taking a video now.
That's a cat hat.
Games are all in Japanese.
It's just a like.
Eileen likes to try on hats. That's cute.
What, babe?
In Japan world.
This is totally factory.
Let's see.
Remember those people that would clean your
Chimneys?
chimneys? Get my feet. Ready?
Yeah.
I can't touch my toes.
That's cute. In what world? We found the book off. I've always wanted to go to one, so we're gonna check it out. Babe, are you excited to go to book off?
Oh my god, can't wait.
Let's go.
During our trip to Japan, we visited very many secondhand stores called Book Off. I suggest to come here if you are looking for books, music, movies, manga, and specifically retro video games. It's a retro video game paradise, and you will find games and consoles from the original Famicom all the way to the most recent video games and consoles for a very decent price. Make sure you don't miss out on this retro video game paradise, which you can find all over Japan.
We're at McDonald's again because we're so curious to see what the other stuff in McDonald's Japan tastes like, right?
Yeah.
So we've got ourselves a bunch of stuff here, so I'm gonna show you. We're gonna try the double cheeseburger. We're gonna try the chicken nuggets, and the sauce that you get here is barbecue and mustard sauce. So we're curious to see what that tastes. And we got the waffle cone with a regular ice cream. All right, so what's your verdict?
The double cheeseburger is better.
Tastes better, just like the Big Mac we had. Tastes better here.
Fries taste better.
Fries taste better.
I think the chicken nuggets, they were, you know when you get those really hot ones and they're fresh? That's not them, but they're still better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, how's the mustard sauce?
Tastes like mustard.
Yeah.
That smells like barbecue.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try one now. Never had this. This is weird. It's kind of like creamy.
I like the mustard. More than the barbecue.
Mmm. Wow, that's really good. It's kind of like, it's really tangy and. I'm gonna try barbecue. The barbecue is very like smoky. Tastes very smoky, but it's good. I like it. Definitely McDonald's in Japan is way better, I think, so far. Just heading home, and we're in the Family Mart. You can just get like a cup full of ice and just put your coffee in there from here. Just so like ice cups. That'd be really, really nice in the summer. Or just like get a drink from here and then pour it in there, and it just stays cold like in the hot summer days here.
My top suggestions for first-timers is to just walk along the neon streets at night, try the local street food like takoyaki, open-air ramen stands, and visit the Running Man sign for that famous picture in Osaka.